Hello, James. This is the 2018 Toyota Highlander. It only has 6,000 miles. This vehicle comes with your Toyota Safety Sense, which gives you your lane departure alert, your automatic high beams, your dynamic radar cruise control, as well as your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. This vehicle gives you keyless entry, backup camera, voice command. You'll get your signal indicators on the side. This vehicle is very spacious in the inside, very clean vehicle. In your back seat, you'll get where your passengers can control their own temperature in the back, as well as their vents. You have 5 USB ports, so if you have kids riding with you, you don't have to worry about them bugging you. They'll be able to charge up their tablets on their own in the back seat. You also have third row. You can ride with your third row up or down if you need extra space. Easy to let the third row seats down. Very, 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 very nice vehicle. James, this vehicle could be yours. All you have to do is come to Sunny King Toyota in Oxford, Alabama. Ask for Kina. I will be glad to take you on a test drive.